This is a historic change. Keeping Families Together program could be your path to staying in the United States legally and eventually obtaining U.S. citizenship. Stay until the end of the program to find out how to apply as soon as possible. Recently, Biden administration announced this Parole in Place program, allowing certain non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of U.S. citizens to apply for temporary stay and even citizenship. Who is eligible and why is this news important? This program opens the door for many people. If you've been married to a U.S. citizen since before June 17th, 2024, or you're a widow or widower of a U.S. citizen, this program is for you. The same applies if your marriage took place before your stepchild turned 18, meaning maybe it's not just for you, maybe it's also for your child or stepchild. What does this mean? If you've lived continuously in the United States before June 17, 2014 for 10 years, and you have good moral character, you might qualify to avoid deportation and obtain a work permit, meaning employment authorization. Keep in mind, you will also need a compelling humanitarian reason to apply. What do you need to get started? USCIS offers a guide on its website to help you complete the form online. In an upcoming video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so leave me a like below if you want to see it. In the meantime, here's some documents you should be collecting. Your personal information, your alien number, social security number, if you have one, your US account number, again, if you've created one. If not, you're gonna have to create one. Documentation to verify your identity, so passport, driver's license, any other IDs you might have from your home country. If you're applying through a US citizen spouse or step parent, you'll need proof of their citizenship. In case of widowhood or divorce, provide the corresponding documents: marriage certificate, death certificate, or divorce decree. To prove that you've lived in the United States for the past 10 years, you need receipts, tax returns, bills, statements, any other evidence that you might have. Every document counts, so don't leave anything out. If you have a criminal record or traffic violations, and by criminal record I mean if you were ever arrested, you'll need to provide evidence of the outcome of that arrest or charge. Keep in mind, if you have a conviction for serious crimes, you're not going to qualify for this program. Important, and when I mean important, I mean really important. You can submit any additional evidence showing significant public benefits or urgent humanitarian reasons justifying your request, as well as any other discretionary factors you want them to consider. How do you apply? Starting August 19th, which means today, you can already apply. Applications are going to be accepted online through Form I-131F. Don't waste time. Create your MyUSCIS account now. Remember, maximum file size for each document is 12 megabytes, and the filing fee is $580. There are no fee waivers. Everyone who applies will have to pay for this. Review the summary of your application before submitting it and download a copy for your records. If your documents are not in English, they have to be translated in a specific manner. It has to be certified translation. What happens after you apply? USCIS is going to review your case. If your application is deemed valid, you'll receive a case number and you'll be able to apply for a work permit using Form I-765, which will allow you to work legally while your case is pending. Additionally, if your case meets the requirements, you'll be granted deferred action along with employment authorization. If necessary, you may be called in for an interview and biometrics appointment. Unsure about your appointment? Check the comment section where I'll leave some useful information for you. Are you in removal proceedings? You can still apply. This includes cases on appeal or those administratively closed. USCIS will review the details, but if your record poses a public safety risk, your application could be denied. Use your alien number to check the status of your case on the EOIR site or by calling their hotline. This isn't the end of the road, Immigration Nation. There are possibilities like the presumption of ineligibility or dismissal of deportation proceedings. Contact us. We'll help you overcome this obstacle, or at least we'll be honest about whether we can or can't. Attention, common law couples. And here's an important tip. In some states, common law marriages are recognized, and you could benefit from this program. If you want to learn more about common law marriages, I'm going to leave a link to my video explaining everything so you don't miss out on any benefit. Couple of words. Common law marriage means you don't have a certificate saying you're legally married. Keep your address updated. Don't forget to update your address on the USCIS account so you can receive all correspondence related to your case. It's easy to do. You just need to complete Form AR11 online. Does the process seem complicated? Seeking help is highly recommended. Will not only help you understand the process, but you review your immigration history and gather the necessary evidence. Remember, you have a 12 megabyte limit, so make the most of it. Don't wait any longer. This is your opportunity to secure your future and that of your family in the United States. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on more important updates, and leave your questions in the comments below so we can help. Act now. Remember, we're all in this together. See you next video. Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.